Yes. Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the mathematics class. Okay. So we are discussing arithmetic progression chapter now. Arithmetic progression chapter. So in the last classes, we got the idea of arithmetic progression. Okay. So then general form of arithmetic progression, general term of the arithmetic progression. So next, in the last video, we discussed actually one new topic related to arithmetic progression. What is that new topic actually? Sum of n terms of an AP. We discussed one topic that sum of n terms of an AP. So now before going to start the discussion of the third exercise related to sum of n terms of an AP, I want to recall the formula which were discussed in the previous class. Now it's your turn. You have to tell me the formulas first. So I'll write the formulas on the board and we'll continue with the exercise simple problems. So next, if you want the board explanation for the remaining questions, you have to tell me. So then that problem will be discussed on the board. Otherwise, simple problems are explained by the page sharing only. Okay. So now, who is going to tell me the first sum of n terms of an AP formula? If we want to find out the sum of n terms of an AP, then which formula we have to use? Tell me fatafat fast. Who is going to tell? So, our subject is, yes, mathematics. Who is going to tell the formula? Yes, Aditi. Can I get the first name, Aditi? Can you tell me the formula? Sum of n terms of an AP. Fast. Yes, Abhiram. Yes, Danya raise the hand. Danya, tell me.
Mataji,
Yes, Danya, what is the formula?
Sn is equal to
Sn is equal to
n by 2 into
n by 2 into
2a
2a
plus
plus,
n minus 1 into d.
yes, very good, n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula which we are going to use to find out the sum of n terms of an AP. Sn stands for sum of n terms, n number of terms. Here 2 into a, you all know in AP, a stands for the first term. So then again n, then d stands for the common difference. So you all familiar with these words, letters, no? So now Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Now, second question, your second question is, if we want to find out the sum of first natural numbers, sum of first natural numbers. So we can use the same formula also for that also. So, but we have one simplest formula to find out the sum of first natural numbers. So, yes, who is going to tell that formula? Raise your hands except Danya, because Danya's chance is over. Who is ready to give the answer for my second question? Yes, I'm waiting for your response, students, fast. We have to discuss the exercise problem. Yes, raise your hands. I'm not seeing. 1 second. Yes, is anybody raising the hand? Is anybody raising the hand? I'm not seeing. No one is raising the hand. Why? Chaya. Yes, Chaya is raising the hand. Chaya. What is your answer, Chaya? Chaya. Yes, Chaya. Yes, what is your answer, Chaya?
Sn is equals to n by 2 into n plus 1.
Sn is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. Is it right? Or n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes, right formula. So this formula we are going to use to find out the sum of first natural numbers. Okay. So first natural numbers n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now my next question is, when the first term of an AP and the last term given, which formula we have to use? First term, yes. Pranav Vengda is giving the answer in the chat box. Thank you, Pranav. Yes, I'm giving the chance to Pranav only. Pranav, now it's your turn. You have to speak now. Put
Sn
your
equals
mic
to n
on.
by 2 into a plus an.
1 second, repeat.
Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an.
Yes, very good.
Term plus last term.
An. Very good, Pranav. See, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into a plus an. Here a is the first term, an is the last term, and when first term and last term is given, directly using this formula, you can find out the sum of n terms of an AP. So these are the three formulas related to sum of n terms of an AP. So now, using this formula, we have to work out the example problems and exercise problems. Example problems already I have sent in your WhatsApp group. Okay, you just go through that. So if you need the explanation for example problems also, then in the last, okay, after completing this third exercise, I'll explain that example problem. So now I want to start the class with the simple exercise, first main and second main question today. Okay, so we'll start the discussion exercise. What is that question exercise? In your textbook, I think you are not having the textbook now. So, but I'm sending the photos of the old textbook in a sense that is CBSE textbook. Now that textbook only divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Nothing is changed. Same to same. When you open the PDF of that textbook, maths textbook, you will get the same. Okay, question, exercise number. No need to worry about the exercise number. What is important for us? Problem is important, right now. Yes, now we are moving the third exercise, which is related to sum of n terms of an AP. Now, the first question is, find the sum of the following APs. Some APs are given, we have to find out the sum of the APs. So here, first question is 2, 7, 12, so on up to 10 terms. So they are asking to find the sum of total 10 terms in the given AP. So what we have to do? Very simple. First we have to take A, that is first term 2, then D, that is common difference, A2 minus A1, so that is 7 minus 2, 5, then N is number of terms. So, ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು 10 terms in this AP. So, n we are taking as 10. So, we have to use the formula Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That formula we are using here. Then, n place we have to take 10 divided by 2. Then, into 2 into a value is 2 plus here n is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. So then into difference is 5. Next step here 10 by 2 is 5. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 9 5s are 45. Then here 45 plus 4 49. So 5 into 49 that is 245. I think you got the answer for this question. Now this is the simple question in the sum of the in terms of an AP. In the next higher version, you will get the statement problem. Okay, that is later. So now we are getting the simple question. We'll go to the second question here. So second, one or two question, you will get the idea about that one. Second question AP is minus 37, comma minus 33, minus 29, so on up to 12 terms. So on up to 12 terms. So what is A here? A is minus 37. Observe the problem properly. D is 5. So if you are facing the confusion in finding the difference, I'll explain this concept on the board. Listen carefully. I'm going to erase this formula because these formulas in your mind now. Okay. Yes. So this AP is minus 37, comma minus 33, then minus 29, so on up to total 12 terms. They are asking the sum of 12 terms. So A, it is very easy. First term. A is minus 37. while finding D, what you have to do? Always A2 minus A1 concept we have to apply. The term, difference between the term and its preceding term, adara hindina term agbeku. Okay, first you have to take now A2 place alli yav number ide? Minus 33. And in the formula, minus is there. Next, A1 is minus 37. Again, minus 37. See this, how to find out the difference. A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 33. A1 is minus 37. So, difference of these two numbers. Now, next, minus 33 as it is. Now, you have to take minus into minus plus 37. Then, 37 minus 33. What is your answer actually? That is 5 plus 5. Got the idea of this one now, how to find out the difference? Okay, so n is equal to 12. Got the idea of this one? Yes. Do you have any confusion regarding this? Do you have confusion regarding this? If you have any confusion, you can speak. Otherwise, we'll continue. Okay.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, common difference is 4, Mataji.
Any confusion regarding this? See, 37 minus 33 is there, no? How will you get 5 actually? Yes, everybody same answer? Everybody got the same answer?
Mataji,
Huh.
Mataji, common difference will be 4, right? So answer will change, Maji. I got different answer.
Yes. That's why. So that's why I want to explain this topic actually. See here, minus 33, minus of minus 37. Then minus 33, minus into minus plus, that is 37. So from looking this one only, we can easily guess the answer. 37 minus 33. There 7 minus 3. What will get answer actually? 7 minus 3 is 4, no? See, you all are actually in class only. So you can see here is a mistake. What is that mistake actually? 37 minus 33, we have to take the difference 4. Sometimes it happens no while solving the problem. Yes, but we have to be very careful. So what we'll do actually, so when we saw one ready answer, we'll fix for that. Yes, of course, Mataji, no problem. So if I ask the question like this now, yes, I am telling this one as 5 only. You have to accept this one. Okay, Mataji, no problem. You are telling no problem. So don't do that. So you have to raise your voice. Mataji is this one. Okay, il problem agide. Okay, il now correction madkolbeku. When it is possible, when you solve this problem, then only you can give this type of suggestion. Okay, now? So yes, now what we have to change here? Actually, 37 minus 33. So the difference is 4. Difference is 4. While solving the problem, this is the major mistake you are doing actually. Okay na? So main mistake ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜಿಯನ್ಸಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 37 minus 33 ಓಕೆ ಬರ್ದ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. So what is very important thing is listing the first term, difference and n is very important. ನೀವು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನ್. If these 3 things are proper in sum of n terms of an AP, then your next problem you can go easily. Starting alli ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ 4 ಬರಲಿ 5 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಅಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದೇ 5 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. Our answer is right for us. But when we look at the problem very deeply, yes, the answer difference is 4. Then everything we have to change here. Okay, so got the idea no? While taking the difference, ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. A2 no negative sign, A1 is also negative sign. So then write this statement, D is equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, so then A2 is minus 33 minus A1 is minus 37, then minus 33 minus into minus plus 37. Okay, so then answer is 4. Got the idea? But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಕೆಲವರು chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ no problem ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. You are not seeing the problems properly. So that's why I took this problem actually. So ನನಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಪೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. Okay, so I think no need to do this problem again, same to same type of question. Here you just make 4, and what we have to do actually, so we have to substitute the as it is values. N iddalli 12 hakbeku, then 2 into a value is minus 37, and n iddalli again 12 minus 1, difference is 4. That 4 we have to take and we have to calculate that one. Finally, what answer we'll get actually? Can anyone tell me the answer please? Can I get the answer? Can I get the answer? Yes, 180. Yes, everybody's answer is 180. Yes, I'm not going to use the page. ನನಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It is clear now? Yes, 180. You just complete that one. Okay, minus 180. Minus 180, is it minus 180? Yes, I want to see the chat box. Okay. Yes, yeah. Minus 180, minus 180. Some students are sending plus 180. Why confusion? Which one is right? Let us see. Verify by ourselves only. N is 12 by 2. 2 into minus 37. Then 12 minus 1 is 11. Into 4 here. 4 we have to change, not 5. Then here 6, that is same. Here minus value will get. So then here 44 will get. So here we'll get minus value only now. So 74 minus 74 plus 44. Yes, minus 180 no answer. How many of you got plus 180 students? Raise your hand. If you are facing any problem in this problem, you can discuss now. Yes, I want to know whether it is minus 180. Yes, minus 180 answer. Some students, they got minus 180, but while typing, they have sent just a value only, I think. Is it right? Yeah. I want to ask Kritika. Kritika, why your answer is plus 180, Kritika?
Actually, I typed wrong.
Yeah. That's right. Actually, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ದು ಅದೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 180 ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, one value is positive, one value is negative. So minus 180 is the right answer. I think everybody got the minus 180 only. But while sending in the chat box, they have typed plus 180, not plus just 180. Okay, no problem. Yes, we are moving to our next problem. Yes. Which page? 1 second. Is this one? Third question. You just check. Is this third question, students? 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, so on up to. Yes, correct. This is the third problem in the first main. Okay, now we are discussing this one. Okay, so correct ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, A is equal to 0.6, then D is equal to 1.1, then N is equal to 100. Is it right in the AP? A is 0.6, it is clear. A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ usually. D 1.7 minus 0.6, is it 1.1 students? 1.7 minus 0.6, then 7 minus 6 is 1, then fast. Yes, no. Yes, This is 1.7, 1.1 proper. It's very simple alva. 1.7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.6 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1.1 is the answer. Then n is 100. N is equal to 100. Then Sn is equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then 100 divided by 2. So you can simplify this one. No need to explain, I think. Very easy. Just I want to know whether it is a right or wrong answer. Yes, I need the response from your side. Fatafat, 5,505. Everybody got the same answer or you got the different answer? Tell me fast. Because most of the students, you have finished this work now. Yes. What is your answer? Same answer. Swasti is telling that same answer. I'll open the chat box. Yes, 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 yes. I want to know how many of you worked out this problem. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, Mataji, yes, Mataji, yes, Mataji, yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji, yes, Mataji. Same answer, correct answer. Yes, Chaya is sending that 5,505. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Everybody got the same answer now? Okay. Then for this problem, no problem. We are moving to our next question. Be ready for the next question. Solve madilla andre immediate solve ಮಾಡಿ answer ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Now the question is like this. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, so on up to 11 terms. So on up to 11 terms. Okay. Now a is equal to 1 by 15. First term is very clear. 1 by 15. Now, difference here is 1 by 60. Is it 1 by 60, students, difference? Is it 1 by 60? Yes? I need the explanation for this. How? 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Immediately we got actually 1 by 60 as difference. How it is possible? How it is possible? Yeah, LCM method. Okay, LCM. So 15 and 12 LCM we have to take 60. By taking the LCM, how to subtract you all know. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15 you have to do. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15 you have to do. So in that 1 by 60 is the difference. Everybody got the same answer, students? Is there any different answer from your side? Is there any different answer? Yes? Any different answer? Same answer? Okay. So then n is equal to 11. N is equal to 11. Now we have to use the formula Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is n is 11 by 2. 2 into a value is 1 by 15 plus here n minus 1 that is 11 minus 1 that is 10 into yes, D is 1 by 60. Then 10 and 60 get cancelled. That is 10 ones are 10 sixes are. So then what answer you got actually? 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6 actually. 11 by 2 into here again. By taking the LCM you have to add. Don't add like numerator plus numerator and denominator plus denominator. 2 plus 1 3 ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು 15 plus 6 ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Don't do that. Fraction form LCM. By taking the LCM you have to add this. Okay, you have to be very careful while solving this type of problem. 11 by 2 into 9 by 30, that is 99 by 60. After simplification 33 by 20. Yes, now tell me everybody's answer same. Same answer? Yes. I need the clarification from your side, students. Okay na, because ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೇಜಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹೈಲೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಮೂವ್ ನೌ? So you are not having any problem in the first question. Then we are moving to the second question. Second question is like this. Find the sums given below. Find the sums given below. Sums we have to find out. See here, the first question is like this. 7 plus 10.5 plus 14 plus so on up to 84. Okay, so this is the AP given. So we have to find the sum. Okay, we have to find the sum in the sense number of terms is not given. Number of terms we need know. If we know the number of terms, we can find the sum. Right now? Yes? Find the sums. 7 plus 10.5 plus 14 plus so on up to 84. Yes. What we need here? Number of terms. So 7 plus 10.5 plus 14 plus so on up to 84. How many numbers are there in this? Because in the formula we'll get n by 2, where we have to substitute n value. N value is nothing but number of terms. N value is nothing but number of terms. Okay, yes. Now we'll start with this problem. A is equal to 7. D is equal to 10.5 minus 7. 10.5 minus 7. So then 10.5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 subtract ಆದರೆ 3.5. AN. Here AN is given. ಅಂದ್ರೆ AP 84 ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? AN is the last term. Last term is 84. Last term is 84. Now, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, some students, you are having confusion regarding this. Again, Mataji, we are in SN formula. You are telling that we have to use AN formula. I think, Mataji, you have confused. Mataji, ಅಲ್ಲಿ SN formula ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? No. Because you all know, right? Why we are using AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So I'm not seeing the chat box. Nange chat box ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes. ಹೀಗಿರ್ಲಿ chat box ಅಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. Okay. So we have to find N. Yes, Shreya. We have to find N. We need N to find out the sum. N ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡೋದು? n ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So we know how to find out n when the AP is given. Number of terms using the general term of an AP, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Again, so we are in the sum of n terms of an AP, but still we cannot leave the old topics. Okay, we have to take that topic with you people. Okay, so that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Again, we have to take the same concept to find out the n number of terms in the AP. So that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is given already last term 84. A is 7. Then n we don't know actually, minus 1 into difference is 3.5. Then 84 is equal to 7 plus n into 3.5 is 3.5n. Then minus 1 into 3.5 is minus 3.5. That is, in the next step, 84 is equal to, here you have to operate these two terms first. Are you observing the cursor here? 7 and minus 3.5, we have to operate 5. 7 minus 3.5 is 3.5 only now, plus 3.5n. Okay, next. These two are like terms. Then we have to transfer this 3.5 to this side. That is 84 minus 3.5, which is equal to 3.5n. Then 84 minus 3.5 is 80.5. 84 minus 3.5 is 80.5 is equal to 3.5n. Therefore, n is equal to 80.5. So divided by 3.5, that is equal to 23. So here we have actually 23 terms in the AP. Okay, we have 23 terms in the AP. Now it is easy, no? Now, so before going to share the next page, I want to ask one question. Which formula we have to use to find out the sum of this AP? Can anyone tell me? Yes, now we have to. Actually, today in this class we have our present exam 2020-21 students also. They are attending this class actually. They are raising the hand, but I'm not going to give the chance to them. So because our new students already they have got the idea of this concept now. Yes. Okay. So our present 10th standard students are also in the live class. They came to school to write their exam, new type of exam. Okay, so all are there. So wish them very all the best for the coming exam. Now we'll continue the class. Yes, chat box. Yes, which formula we can use? Yes, everybody is giving the answer that n by 2 into a plus an formula we can use for this. Okay. Yes. Why we can use this formula n divided by 2 into a plus an or n divided by 2 into a plus l. A is the first term, an is the last term. An is also represented by small l also, small l, small letter l. So now we have the first term here, first term ಇದೆ, last term also given. So if number of terms ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an we can substitute ಅಲ್ವಾ. But they have given one question mark of number of terms. That's why we used an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So now here, where is that page? 1 second. Search that page, students. 1 second. I'm going to pause the. Okay, students. Here we have the solution. But here, so they have used actually 2a plus n minus 1 into d only. So that is your wish. You can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d also, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an also you can use. That is your wish. So here they have used actually, so 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 2 into 7, that is next. Here what we got actually 23. 23 minus 1 is 22, that is into 3.5. So next, after the simplification, they got the answer 1046.5. Now I need the confirmation from your side. Okay. So what answer you got? What answer you got, students? Same answer or different answer? If you got the different answer, then we'll work out the problem on the board. Otherwise, we'll continue. Did you got the same answer? Yes, I got the message from 2 students. Same answer. Same answer. Yes, Vaishnavi is sending that same answer. Okay, so you can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an also, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d also. Got the idea of this one now? Yes, we are moving to our next problem. Okay, so if you are facing any confusion, then you have to message. You can send the message. Don't hesitate to send the message. Okay, so if you need the explanation again, then you can ask in the chat box. Mataji, explain again. Okay, so now I got the meeting warning. Last 5 minutes is there. Okay, so we'll continue now further 10 minutes. If the meeting ends, join with the same link for further 10 minutes. Okay, just I want to end up this meeting with this problem actually. See, 34 plus 32 plus 30 so on up to plus 10. Same to same type of problem. First A you have to notice 34. Then difference is 32 minus 34. Very careful. 32 minus 34 you have to take, that is minus 2. Difference is minus 2. Then an. Last term of this AP is 10. then an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So why you have to use? Because we need number of terms. So then use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d topic to find out the number of terms. That is, number of terms we got 13. Got the idea of this one, no? Now again, so for this second main, you can use actually Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay. So but again here we used actually Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 13 divided by 2 into 2 into 34 plus 12 into minus 2. Difference is minus 2. Here it is multiplication operation. Don't confuse. Next to 13 by 2 into 68 minus 24. What answer you got, you have to send me in the message box. I am not going to show the next page. I need the answer from your side. Yes, I'm waiting in the chat box. What answer you all got for this second question? Sum of 286. 286. Everybody's answer is same. 286. Yes, 286. Yes, our answer is also 286. What is that W86, Abhiram? You got W86? Different answer you got, Abhiram? Okay. So,
No, Mataji.
yes, while typing, Shreya is asking Mataji once, explain example 13. Yes, of course, Shreya. I'm ready to explain example 13, but in this class it is not possible. After the class, you just call me once because page sharing it's a problem. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ example 13 problem ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. So 1 second, ನಾನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು meeting end ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, let us see. Anyhow, meeting ends now, no? Now what you have to do for the third problem and explanation? Can we continue up to 1 o'clock? Now it's 12:50. Can I take the next meeting, students? Can I take 10 minutes extra? Yes, no? We'll finish at least 3 to 4 problems in this class only. I'll take up to 1:05 or 1:10. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to end this meeting. You have to join with the same.